Ready for dictation? 3, 2, 1, ready. On the other hand, Mr. Ravi Sikri, the learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of ITPO, and Miss M. Diwan, learned counsel on behalf of the Union of India, rebutted the above said contentions urged on behalf of the appellant, contending that arbitration clause 28 in the agreement does not deal with the arbitration under the provisions of the Arbitration Act. The learned senior counsel contended that the division bench of the Delhi High Court, after examining the provisions of Section 5 and in the light of Section 2 within bracket 3 bracket close of the Arbitration Act, held within bracket India Trade Promotion Organization versus International Amusement Limited 2007-142 DLT 342 bracket close, that Section 2 within bracket 3 bracket close protects the existing laws, both common law as well as statutory law, under which some disputes cannot be made a subject matter of arbitration. Further, it is urged that the division bench of the High Court has rightly held that Section 15, read with Sections 5 and 7 of the PP Act, confers exclusive jurisdiction on the estate officer appointed under Section 3 of the PP Act to deal with the application that is filed by ITPO to evict unauthorized occupants from the public premises and pay the damages as provided under Sections 5 and 7 of the PP Act respectively. Further, Section 15 of the PP Act bars and prohibits any court from entertaining any suit or proceeding for eviction from the premises, etc., as provided under clauses within bracket A bracket close to within bracket E bracket close of Section 15, and that the general power of the court under Section 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 to entertain suit or proceedings is therefore ousted if a dispute raised by the appellant falls in clauses within bracket A bracket close to within bracket E bracket close of Section 15 of the PP Act. Further, it was contended that the estate officer having exclusive jurisdiction is not arbitrable, and parties by a contract cannot agree to refer the matters in respect of which jurisdiction has been conferred upon the estate officer. Therefore, the arbitrability of claims of the appellant covered under Sections 5 and 7 of the PP Act is excluded. To arrive at the said conclusion, the division bench of the High Court rightly placed reliance upon the Constitution Bench judgment of this court in Ashoka Marketing Limited versus Punjab National Bank within bracket 1990 bracket close for SCC 406, wherein the legal question that arose was as to whether the Rent Control Act 1995, which is also a
Stop